Feeling stiff, tired? I got your remedy in this 10-minute low impact movement session. Let's get started. Just sway the arms side to side. Gentle movements. They're gonna boost our mood, elevate our energy. We're gonna build incredible mobility and strength every day that we show up. Start to sway your hips. Real full body movement. We try to connect our breath to each movement today. We're inspired by the ancient Chinese practice of Qigong. Real mind-body connection. Functional fitness is what it is. Movements that matter, that bring the mind, the body, the soul, if you like, all together. Let's take this motion. We're gonna open our chest up and step behind. You modify every movement to suit your needs. Look up high. Reach your arms back as far as you can. We're gonna massage all the internal organs so that we aid in digestion, boost our metabolism, build this amazing discipline and consistency so that we can live to 110 healthy with a strong mind and sharp body. Open it up. Maybe you step just a little further out. Open. And again, this could just look like this for you. If you're moving, that's all that matters. We don't compare, not even ourselves to yesterday. We do what we can today and we just keep showing up. Okay, last one. Maybe we just hold it back. Hold that stretch for a moment. Look to the sky. Oh. Yes. Okay, we're gonna step and roll. So it's so twist that body. You can sink down as deeply as possible and get a nice twist in the spine. Reach those arms up. We're building strength in the shoulders, mobility in the upper back, while we build strength in the legs. But let's really breathe into every movement. Maybe you start to look up. Get a nice stretch in the neck. You can feel you're massaging all those internal organs on this move. Oh yeah. Giving real thanks to the liver, the kidneys. How often do we say thanks to our organs that just do a remarkable job of keeping us healthy to 110? Okay, last one. Oh, so lovely. Okay, we're gonna step forward, arms come up, step back, arms go back. So step forward and then bend back, step back, bend forward. And just find a nice flow here. You can look up to the sky, look down, getting incredible back bend and stretch, really loosening up the body for the day. Remember to breathe. Let's go to the other side. Same movement, same exact movement, just move the other leg. So we're building some incredible strength in our legs as at the same time increasing our flexibility, range of motion. Mind-body connection. What we're doing is we're really taking ownership of our energy. Rather than what's outside of us, the news, things that we cannot control, can we take ownership? One more. Okay. Just to change, just for a moment, just step to the side and open up the chest. Head up high. Just a few of these, just to counterbalance what we just did. But bring all your presence to this movement. And yes. Okay, a little side shuffle, just to really wake up the lower body. On the balls of the feet, really mindful with each movement. So soft and gentle when we step. If we had a neighbor that lived below us, they would never hear us. Quiet as a little mouse. And now, swing that back leg and see if you can't touch. And maybe that looks like this for you. You can always pick up the pace. You want to get your heart rate up? I encourage it. Do what works best for you. But intentional. We can move really fast and hard. We can be needing to get somewhere quickly, but we can do it mindfully and with intention. So by connecting the hand to the foot here, without looking, we're working on our proprioception sense, where we are in space. Couple more. Balls of the feet really light. One more now. Brilliant. Let's practice a little bit of balance. We're gonna take this movement, and if you like, keep your foot up the whole time. And maybe you have to put it down and you come here, and that's fine. Choose your own adventure. But if you're really mindful, 100% in this moment, I think you can do this. A chair could be useful if needed. Let's go to the other side. And what you'll find is one side is better than the other, possibly. Happy days. What a wonder. Let's move with awe. And if you fall, just like if you make a mistake today, smile. Welcome the challenge. I'm an incomplete person. I have nowhere to get to. I'm just gonna enjoy the ride. And bounce that out just a bit. Balls of the feet, shake out the arms, feel a little tingle in the fingertips. Okay, one last movement for today. We're gonna build this amazing strength in our legs. Strong legs, sharp mind. I've said it a million times. So you're gonna come down and rise up. Like you're making a giant sun above your head. Come on down, bend the knees generously, and rise up. Maybe you can go this low. Maybe your arms only come this high. And you do this. What a beautiful movement that is. You just do you. But do it with presence. Connect your breath. Look to the sky. Look up. Find a flow. and go with it. Maybe you can get a little bit deeper. Maybe we could hold it down here just for a moment. I think I can. I think I can. And come on up. And 5, 4. One. Yes. Oh, shake it out. I do love that movement. That's it for today. We've done it. I think we have just missed the heart of the storm to come. Here we go. Let's just be for a moment. Just notice. Whatever you feel right now, just notice. Be curious. Anxiety comes up. Just notice, what is that? What's this feeling I'm having? Welcome it. Something from the past that you don't like to think about comes up. Oh, welcome, you're here to teach me. I'm gonna let this go. My greatest teachers talks about something comes up, just relax and release. Relax and release. One breath can do that for us. Relax and release. And release. Take some time, but we can let those things go. I know it. Thank you for being here. We keep doing it. We are going to live to 110 healthy. It's a guarantee. If it doesn't happen, you let me know. I'll give you a full refund. Let's enjoy the journey. I am so grateful to you for being here. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.